Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best tire shine available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Cerakote Tire Shine. Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat delivers exactly what it promises: a rich, long-lasting tire finish without the greasy mess that many traditional dressings leave behind. The application process is refreshingly simple. After washing the tires, apply the coating with the included premium foam applicator and wipe away any excess using a microfiber towel for a clean, even finish. The formula dries quickly, leaving a deep satin to gloss appearance that enhances the look of your vehicle while resisting sling, dust, and dirt buildup. Unlike oily products that attract grime or require constant reapplication, this ceramic-based coating creates a durable protective layer that keeps tires looking freshly detailed for longer. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or preparing for a car show, this product offers professional-looking results with minimal effort, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a cleaner, longer-lasting tire shine. Next up, we have Meguiar's Tire Shine. Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Shine Tire Coating lives up to its name by delivering an exceptionally deep, wet-look gloss that instantly transforms dull tires into a showroom-worthy finish. Its advanced synthetic polymer formula spreads evenly and creates a rich, high-gloss appearance without streaking or uneven coverage. What sets this tire coating apart is its impressive durability. The advanced resin technology helps the shine last through rain, road grime, and regular driving, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups. The finish remains vibrant for an extended period while enhancing the overall appearance of the vehicle with a freshly detailed look. Whether you're a weekend car enthusiast or simply want your daily driver to stand out, this product provides professional quality results with minimal effort. It combines stunning visual appeal with lasting protection, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their tires looking clean, glossy, and well-maintained. Coming in at number 3, Exoforma Tire Shine. This tire shine formula is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants an ultra-glossy, showroom-quality finish without the greasy residue that many competing products leave behind. Packed with premium, non-greasy silicones, it delivers an intense, mirror-like shine that instantly enhances the appearance of any vehicle and gives tires a freshly detailed look. The formula dries quickly, helping minimize sling and allowing you to get back on the road with confidence. Its smooth application ensures even coverage, while the rich finish remains vibrant through regular driving. Unlike ordinary tire dressings that fade quickly or attract excessive dust, this product creates a bold, eye-catching shine that satisfies both professional detailers and car enthusiasts. If your goal is maximum visual impact with minimal effort, this high-gloss tire shine easily stands out as one of the best options for achieving a deep, wet-look finish that truly elevates your vehicle's appearance. Now at number 4, Chemical Guys Tire Shine. The Tire Kicker Bundle is an excellent solution for achieving clean, professional-looking tires with minimal effort. Paired with the included Wonder Wave foam applicator, the tire shine spreads smoothly and evenly, ensuring controlled application without unnecessary waste or messy overspray. One of its biggest advantages is the adjustable finish, allowing you to customize the look from a subtle, factory-fresh satin sheen to a deeper, richer gloss depending on how much product you apply. The formula enhances the appearance of all tire types while helping restore a clean, well-maintained look that complements the rest of your vehicle. The ergonomic applicator makes it easy to reach every contour of the tire, providing consistent coverage and streak-free results. Whether you're detailing your daily driver or preparing a show car, this bundle delivers impressive versatility, convenience, and a durable finish that keeps tires looking their best. And finally, our last pick, Stoner Car Care Tire Shine. This tire dressing stands out with its fast-drying, no-sling formula that delivers a clean, professional finish without the greasy residue often associated with traditional tire shines. Once applied, it dries quickly to help prevent product from splattering onto surrounding paint, glass, or trim, making the detailing process cleaner and more efficient. The smooth, streak-free application leaves tires looking fresh and well-maintained while enhancing the overall appearance of the vehicle. Its versatile formula is also suitable for restoring and protecting various rubber, vinyl, and plastic surfaces, making it a valuable addition to any car care routine. Whether you're detailing your daily driver or preparing for a weekend show, this product offers consistent, long-lasting results with minimal effort. The combination of easy application, clean finish, and reliable performance makes it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-quality, hassle-free tire and trim dressing. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.